Let's talk about this ceramic storage jar. Simple, stylish, and seriously versatile. If you want a way to keep your countertop shelves or pantry looking clean and modern, this little jar does just that. And yep, it's indeed a dupe of a famous Italian brand that starts with F. Do you know it? Right away, you can feel the quality of the ceramic here. It's smooth, sturdy, and feels like something that's going to last, not chip after a couple of uses, but I wouldn't recommend dropping it. Its neutral finish makes it easy to pair with multiple decor styles too. The lid fits snugly, so it's great for holding dry goods like coffee, sugar, tea, or snacks. And it looks way nicer than a plastic bag or mismatched containers sitting out. Because it's opaque, it keeps contents tucked away and looks tidy, whether it's on a shelf or your kitchen counter. And beyond the kitchen, it's perfect for holding cotton balls in the bathroom, office supplies on your desk, or even succulents on a windowsill. Being ceramic, I would assume it's also candle safe, and I love candles. But personally, I use mine to house some fragrance samples. This is multi-purpose, attractive, and so easy to style. Now, of course, this isn't the same quality as the original brand it's duping, I would assume, but it is organization that feels a little more elegant, and I recommend it.